Welcome back to my channel again. Um, this is the video to import thread chart for SMB always if you buy from my Etsy shop. So you can, when you will order this item, you will receive the file as Excel file or CSV file. You will see the Excel file if you have installed the Excel in your computer. So um, simply you have to first download this file as I'm going to do. Just click this link and just um, I'm going to save it where I want to save it. So I'm going to save it at on desktop. So once you will download this file, you just open the PE design. I just open the PE design that it open. Once you open the PE design, just go to in option settings, then go to edit user thread chart. There you will see import chart on the right side where it says user thread chart, and here you have to click import chart. So now I will select my file as it's a CSV file. I will click CSV file, and here you will your chart. If it's Excel, it will show the Excel format. If it's not, you didn't install any Excel, so it will show the CSV file. So we'll simply just click this and open, and it will say that importing of chart is completed. Okay, so here you will see all the colors for SMB always. As you can see, it's 259 colors. Then hit OK. Now you want to test the thread chart if it's available. So simply just put something, so it will show the color, and here you can select your SMB always thread chart, and you can do the list mode as it has a description also which on the chart, and it has also code. So in this way you can see all the things. So this is the simple process. You can import any CSV chart, and there you go. You just select the color and just simply choose what the color you want. So that's okay. You can see real time what color is this and which color you want to use it. So I hope this video will helpful to import the thread chart in your PE design. I particularly done this for the Brother PE design. I don't know about the other softwares, so I believe you can do it in if you have any Brother applique software or any Brother software, because it's the very easy thing to do or import the charts in your Brother design. So stay tuned for further videos, and if you have any questions, just feel free to question me on my Etsy shop, or you can leave a comment for any question you want to ask me. So thank you guys. Have a good day, and stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.